The biggest mistakes about feelings. So we are raised in a society where you just have to move on and just shake it off. That's the kind of mentality in the hustle culture in capitalism, because we're trained for exploitation. But the truth is that when we allow ourselves to be human and to feel, there's so much empowerment that comes with that. It's very normal to feel. Like, if you let yourself feel your emotions, it's gonna be like a can of worms. It's gonna spread all over. It's gonna engulf you, and it's just the opposite. Actually, Susan, I forgot her name, a professor for agility, like really to be strong in your difficult times. She says, when you have the chance to allow yourself to feel and to figure out what made you feel this way, it actually activates something in our brain that helps us find the right next step for ourselves. So in other words, it gives us the clarity that we need to make ourselves feel better. So it's opposite than what we think, that it's going to overpower us. We actually gain power from it. Another big mistake that we make is that we think that our feelings come in neat packages. Like, now I'm feeling happy. Yesterday I felt sad. A week ago I felt angry. You can feel all these emotions at one moment. One part of you is extremely sad about a loss of a promotion that you didn't get. One part of you can be extremely happy that your day is going as planned and things are actually working out better than you thought. And another part can be extremely angry because somebody was mean to you. It's not a contradiction. We can have a whole variety of emotions at the same time. And allowing ourselves to not be boxed in is also a way to empower ourselves, to live life more fully, to not hide from our emotions. So I hope this helps, and I wish you all a lovely rest of the day. Hi, Bitachon.